Alright, welcome back my bright and lovely students. Today will be this is js2 Igbo class. js2 Igbo class, and this is your third term according to your third term scheme of work. So I will continue, and please, if you have not subscribed to our channel, do well to subscribe to the channel now. Thank you very much. So today we'll be looking at ụzọ dị iche iche enwere ike isi kpochapụ ụbịam na agụụ. Ụzọ dị iche iche enwere ike isi kpochapụ ụbịam na agụụ. This one you are seeing now, full capital letter UZO. Ụzọ dị iche iche esi ekpochapụ ụbịam na agụụ. Different ways in which we can wipe out poverty and hunger. The number one is nhazi usoro agụmakwụkwọ ka ọrụ wee dị. We'll have to rearrange our curriculum, our educational curriculum or scheme of work, the content that we teach from there that will relate to, that will make students after their studies they'll be able to get job, either create job for themselves or get job in a company. Okay, number two is infrastructure. Dịka onye na-agba ihe ọkụ ga-achọ igwe ga-enye ya ọkụ electric. The second one is talking about infrastructure. Infrastructure means development. They gave an example here, which is just like when a welder would like to have constant electricity so that he or she will be able to do her job. The same thing goes with other career. A barbing salon person or a hairdresser, we need light, or a producer, industrialist, they will need light. So infrastructure is one of the ways in which to wipe out poverty and the hunger. The number three, mwube industry. Obodo ga-enwe industry n'ebe dị iche iche ka ndị mmadụ nwee ọrụ. Yes, building of industries, manufacturing industries, so all kinds of industry, building it. From there, people will have job to do. So when government do those things, or individual entrepreneur build industries, it will help to employ other people. Number four is nkwụsị nrụrụ aka iri ego Nigeria. So stopping embezzlement. When our leaders in Nigeria stop embezzlement, stop stealing our money, that is when one of the ways to kill poverty in our country. Then the fifth one is ego mgbazinye gọọmenti. Ka gọọmenti na-agbazinye ndị mmadụ ego. That is, it is saying that let government be giving people loan. Some individuals, some graduates, they don't want to work for anybody. They want to start their own business, but they don't have money. So when government discovers such people, they should be given loan to start business. Why some businesses are not doing well? Because they don't have enough capital. So when government notice those kind of people, they should be given loan, which they will pay back. When the businesses grow, you see there will be much employment, because it is business that produces employment. When businesses grow, you see a lot of employment everywhere. Okay, nnwale, which is classwork. 1. Depụta ụzọ atọ enwere ike isi kpochapụ ụbịam na ndụ mmadụ. Okay, write out three ways in which we can wipe out poverty in our lives. Number 2, gịnị bụ ụzọ atọ gọọmenti ga-esiriri gbochie ụbịam na agụụ n'ala Nigeria? What are the ways in which government can wipe out poverty and hunger in our country, Nigeria? Now, let's move into another subtopic, which is ụzọ a ga-esi gbochie ụbịam na agụụ. Ụzọ a ga-esi gbochie ụzọm na agụụ. Ụzọ a ga-esi gbochie ụbịam na agụụ. Ways in which we can wipe out poverty and the hunger. Okay, more ways. Number 1 is onye ọbụla mụọ ụmụ ole ọ ga-azụri. Everybody should give birth or to have the number of children in which he or she can train. Number 2, mgbanwe ụdị ọchịchị anyị ji. Yes, our leadership are wrong. Transformation of the kind of leadership that we have. 3, ntụtegharị ọrụ ugbo. Yes, reawakening agriculture. As you know, my students have been telling you people agriculture is good. If you find a miss, even if you are a medical doctor, you are a lawyer, or whatsoever you are, try to invest your money in agriculture. Yes, it will go a long way in helping our society. All right. Number 4, nkwụsị mgbaziri ego nke mba ụwa. Yes, our government should stop borrowing money from foreign countries. When we borrow money from other countries, our economy go down. So they should stop it and find a way to solve our money problem. Okay, number 5 is nkwụsị isi ala bekee bubata ihe ụfọdụ. Stop, in fact, importation of some certain goods should stop. Importation of some certain goods should stop. That is when our economy will grow. Okay, number 6, ịzụ ndị mmadụ n'ọrụ dị iche iche. Yes, skill acquisition, training people on some skills that will help them to survive in life. Number 7, iwube ihe ndị eji enyere ndụ aka dịka ezigbo mmiri ọṅụṅụ, ụzọ dị mma. Yes, building or constructing something that help human being, that we used to help ourselves, just like clean water, clean pipe-borne water, good road, electricity. These are the things that can make our society do well. The last one, which is number 8, agụmakwụkwọ nke akwesịrị ibu maka onye ọbụla. Agụmakwụkwọ bụ nke kwesịrị ibu maka nke onye ọbụla. Now, establishing a kind of education that everybody can be engaged in. Establishing a kind of education where every child can be absorbed in that educational system. Okay, so you can do these class works here. You can as well attempt them. Okay, this is where we'll stop. I've explained. Our next class will enter week 6. Thank you very much. Please subscribe to this channel if you have not done so. If you have any question, comment, ask your question on the comment section. like our channel, subscribe to the channel, click on the bell icon so that you'll be notified on any time we release a new video. Remember, pursue knowledge. Pursue knowledge. Thank you.